This dance is called Back to the Start. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance with one restart. Starting off on the right foot, we're walking forward. So step right, left, right. Then you're going to hitch the left, which is basically lifting the knee up, and at the same time, turn yourself a quarter turn to the right. Not easy to do in slow motion on grass. Repeat those steps but without the turn. Start with the left foot because we're hitched. So walk forward left, left, hitch the right. Let's try that section once more. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 hitch. Okay. From here, we're going into a couple of vines. So we're going to vine to the right with a touch, step aside, cross the left behind, step right to the side, touch the left, repeat going to the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind, step the left to the side, and touch the right. Let's add that onto the top bit. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 hitch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Okay. Heel switches. So touch your right heel forward, bring the feet together. Touch the left heel forward, bring the feet together. Twist the heels, both of them to the right, back to the centre, out to the right, and back to the centre. Add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 hitch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Heel, and twist, 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 twist. Okay, to end the dance, we're going to do a K-step that's not quite a K-step. And you'll understand why when you see the last bit. So on a K-step, normally we would go diagonally, come back, diagonally, then come back to where you start. We're not going to come back to where we start, we're going to continue to go backwards. So we're going to step that right foot forward diagonally, touch the left beside the right, step the left diagonally back on the left, touch the right beside the left. Step the right diagonally back on the right, touch the left beside the right. Now at this point we'd normally go forward again on our K-step, we're going to go backwards. So the left is going to go diagonally back on the left and touch the right beside the left, and you're ready to start the dance walking forward. So let's just try that last section again. The K-step that's not a K-step. Off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. And you start the dance again. Add that to the top. Off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 hitch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Heel, and twist, 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 twist. Step, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. And you start the dance again walking forward. So that's the dance. Let's have a go to the other 3 walls, and then I'll tell you about the restart. So walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 hitch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Heel, and twist, 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 twist. Step, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 hitch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Heel, and twist, 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 twist. Step, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 hitch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, start the dance walking forward again. Now there is a restart in this dance. It comes on wall 5 after 8 counts, 16 counts. So you'll walk forward with your hitches and you'll do your 2 vines and you'll restart. So wall 5 is when you get back to the front wall. So we're walking forward on the right. Here we go. 7, 8. Walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 hitch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Restart at that point. So that's your dance. Let's give it a go to some music.
If I could go into my heart and search for all the places I left the spark, to find a way back to the olden days before it started falling apart.
5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk,
Singing
walk,
songs
hitch, walk,
and
walk,
telling
walk,
stories
hitch, side, behind,
about when
side,
we were
touch, side,
young,
behind, side, touch, heel and
running
heel,
crazy
twist, twist,
through the
twist,
memories
twist,
when you never could be wrong. We would be strong like superheroes, high on sugar. We would stay up all night until the sun comes up. Yeah, running crazy through the memories, innocent and young. If I could go into my heart and search for all the places I left the spot, to find a way back to the olden days before it started falling apart. I'm finding waiting in the corner somewhere in the dark. If I could go to where it all began, yes, I would take it back to the start, back to the start.
Restart wall.
Back to the start. A little lazy, it was always easy, but we were moving on.
Heel switch.
Endless daydreams, as far as they see,
Step this one,
and what we
step.
might become. We would be strong like superheroes, high on sugar. We would stay up all night until the sun comes up.
Heel
Yeah,
switches.
running crazy through the memories, innocent and young. If I could go into my heart and search for all the places I left the spot, to find a way back to the olden days before it started falling apart. I'm finding waiting in the corner somewhere in the dark. If I could go to where it all began, yes, I would take it back to the start, back to the start, back to the start, I'm finding waiting in the corner somewhere in the dark. If I could go to where it all began, yes, I would take it back to the start, 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 back to the start.
Well done. Hope you enjoyed that one.